dam at risk of collapsing in Derbyshire.
That's right, West and South Yorkshire Fire Service have been helping with the operation. So, can our infrastructure cope with increasing cases of extreme weather? Well, I'm joined now by Dr. Paul Shepley, an expert in ground engineering at the University of Sheffield. Thanks for joining us this evening. As a result of climate change, we are expecting heavier rainfall in the future. Can our infrastructure, our reservoirs, our dams cope with that?
So our reservoir and dams should be able to cope with sort of the intensity of the rainfall, but this will take some sort of better management than what we've sort of had previously. So whereas we've got these sort of Victorian era structures, these old structures, they should be fundamentally safe, but we need to manage them more appropriately.
And whose job is that?
So that'll be a combination of the environmental agency and central government to produce guidelines that will then impact upon the sort of asset owners themselves. And as we've heard, there are private owners, there are sort of council owners, and there are sort of the water companies.
People in South Yorkshire will have sympathy with residents in Whaley Bridge. The Ely Dam was at risk of collapse back in 2007, so this isn't a new problem, is it?
No, and there are sort of a handful of incidents sort of in most years where we get sort of years of very intense rainfall. We get a few more. There'll likely be quite a lot of investigation after this year, given the sort of the profile and the number of problems that we've had.
Thank you very much for joining us.